Welcome to Crypto Wallets – How to Store Your Digital Wealth. In this episode of Wealth Builders Wisdom, we dive into the essential world of cryptocurrency wallets. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto sphere, understanding how to securely store your digital assets is crucial. Let's explore the diverse types of wallets available and how to use them effectively. Understanding crypto wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet isn't just a tool. It's your personal gateway to the world of digital finance. But what exactly is a crypto wallet? Simply put, it's a digital application or hardware device that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. In this segment, we'll break down how crypto wallets work and the technology that powers them. Types of crypto wallets. Crypto wallets come in various forms, each with its unique features and levels of security. There are two main categories: hot wallets, which are connected to the Internet, and cold wallets, which are offline. We'll explore the differences between software wallets, mobile wallets, web wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets, helping you understand which type might be right for your needs. Setting up your first wallet. Setting up a crypto wallet can seem daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be. We'll walk you through the process step by step, from choosing the right wallet to creating your account. Plus, we'll cover the crucial aspect of securing your private keys, the critical component that keeps your digital wealth safe. Cold storage and its advantages. For those looking for the highest security level for their crypto assets, cold storage is often the recommended choice. We'll explain what cold storage is, how it differs from hot wallets, and why it might be the best option for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency for the long term. Managing multiple wallets. As your investment in cryptocurrency grows, so might the number of wallets you use. Managing multiple wallets can be challenging, but it's often necessary for security and organization. We'll provide tips on effectively managing multiple wallets and strategies to simplify the process. The future of crypto wallets. The world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and so are the wallets we use to manage our digital assets. In this segment, we'll explore the future of crypto wallets, including developments in biometric security, multi-signature wallets, and integration with emerging technologies like decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. Recovering lost wallets. Narrator. One of the biggest fears for any crypto holder is losing access to their wallet. But all is not lost if that happens. We'll discuss the steps to recover a lost wallet, the role of recovery phrases, and how to prepare for and prevent potential losses. Understanding wallet compatibility. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique specifications, and not all wallets support every type of digital currency. In this segment, we will delve into the importance of wallet compatibility. Learn how to choose a wallet that aligns with the cryptocurrencies you own or plan to acquire, ensuring seamless transactions and storage. Navigating wallet interfaces. The user interface of a crypto wallet plays a crucial role in your digital asset management. We'll guide you through navigating different wallet interfaces, highlighting key features to look for, and how to perform common transactions like sending, receiving, and exchanging cryptocurrencies within your wallet. Wallet integration with crypto exchanges. Many investors use both crypto wallets and exchanges for managing their digital assets. This segment focuses on how to securely integrate your wallet with cryptocurrency exchanges, the advantages of this integration, and tips for maintaining security during these interactions. Advanced security features. As threats evolve, so do wallet security features. We'll dive into advanced security features such as multi-signature technology, hardware wallet integration, and encrypted backup solutions. Understand how these features work and how they add layers of security to your digital wealth. Transitioning from traditional banking to crypto wallets. For those used to traditional banking, transitioning to crypto wallets can be a big leap. We'll discuss this transition, drawing parallels between familiar banking tools and crypto wallet functionalities, making the shift smoother and more understandable. The role of hardware wallets in crypto security. Hardware wallets are considered one of the safest ways to store cryptocurrencies. We'll examine the role they play in the larger picture of crypto security, how they work, and why they might be a worthwhile investment for serious crypto enthusiasts. Educating yourself on wallet updates and maintenance. Staying updated with the latest wallet software updates and maintenance practices is essential. We'll cover how to keep your wallet software updated, the importance of regular maintenance, and how these practices protect your assets from emerging threats. The growing ecosystem of mobile crypto wallets. Mobile crypto wallets are becoming increasingly popular for their convenience and accessibility. This segment explores the growing ecosystem of mobile wallets, their features, and how to safely use them for managing your digital assets on the go. Choosing the right wallet for your investment strategy. Your choice of wallet can depend greatly on your overall investment strategy. We'll discuss how to align your wallet choice with your investment goals, whether you're a long-term holder, an active trader, or a diversified investor. The environmental impact of crypto wallets. In today's environmentally conscious world, the impact of technology on our planet is more important than ever. We'll explore the environmental footprint of digital wallets, from energy consumption to electronic waste, and discuss eco-friendly practices in the world of cryptocurrency. Legal and tax implications of crypto wallets. Owning and using a crypto wallet also involves navigating legal and tax implications. This segment sheds light on regulatory compliance, understanding tax liabilities, and staying up to date with the changing legal landscape around digital currencies. Future trends in crypto wallet technology. What does the future hold for crypto wallet technology? We'll discuss upcoming trends, including AI integration, enhanced user interfaces, and the potential of integrating wallets with emerging technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT. The role of community support and forums. In the crypto world, community support can be invaluable. We'll highlight the role of online forums and support groups in helping users navigate wallet-related issues, share experiences, and stay updated with the latest trends and security practices. Incorporating wallets into a comprehensive crypto strategy. Your crypto wallet is a key component of your overall digital asset strategy. In this segment, we discuss how to integrate your wallet choice into a broader investment and security strategy, ensuring alignment with your long-term financial goals. Avoiding common mistakes and misconceptions. Even seasoned crypto enthusiasts can fall prey to common mistakes and misconceptions. We'll address these pitfalls, providing practical advice on how to avoid them and ensure the safety and growth of your digital wealth. The philosophy behind self-custody in crypto. Self-custody is a fundamental philosophy in the crypto space. We dive into the concept of being your own bank, the responsibilities it entails, and how embracing self-custody can empower you as a digital asset owner. Conclusion. As we conclude our comprehensive journey